2D shearing. 2D shearing in computer graphics refers to the process of slanting an object in a two-dimensional space. Shearing is achieved by transforming each point in the object using a shearing matrix. Here is an example to demonstrate 2D shearing in computer graphics. Suppose we have a square with the vertices 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, and 3, 1, and we want to shear it along the x-axis by a factor of 0.5. The steps to perform the shearing would be as follows. Represent the original square by its vertices in a 2D coordinate system. Define the axis and the factor of shearing, in this case the x-axis, and a factor of 0.5. For each vertex in the square, transform its coordinates using the 2D shearing matrix. X is equal to x plus k asterisk y. Y is equal to y, where x, y are the original coordinates of the vertex, x, y are the sheared coordinates, and k is the shearing factor along the x-axis. Plot the sheared square using the updated vertices. Repeat the shearing as many times as desired to achieve the desired effect. In computer graphics, 2D shearing is a useful operation that is used in many different applications, including image processing, animation, and user interfaces. The shearing operation can be used to achieve a wide range of visual effects, such as perspective distortion and isometric projection. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.